Helix Labs. Hi fellow scientists, today we will be talking about dark matter, dark energy and what will happen when the universe is dead. As most of us know, dark matter is proven to be out there, and according to scientists, it accounts for about 96% of our visible universe. Dark matter is matter that we cannot see but that creates an attractive force, which in other words is gravity. Scientists also know that dark matter exists even though we cannot see it. You may ask, how do they know if we can't see it? But actually the proof that they have is that normal matter does not have enough gravitational muster to keep galaxies and stars together, and without it they thought galaxies would fly apart and break up. Another proof would be that of gravitational lensing, which is the bending of light, as light is still affected by gravity, and seen as we cannot see the mass that is bending the light, we have to come up with the theory of dark matter. Because we have not observed dark matter directly, it must barely or even never interact with baryonic matter or radiation. Baryonic matter or radiation is basically a composite subatomic particle that has an odd number of valence quarks, meaning an odd number of outer quarks, so they thought that dark matter was the key to this, but we still haven't fully confirmed the existence of dark matter as we have and can't see it. Some sources say that dark matter is basically a substance that reacts with gravity, hence this would mean that it does not have to be composed of any new subatomic particle, but the next thing I will tell you will completely oppose that statement. Dark matter does not react with electromagnetic radiation, in other words light, which basically means that it has to be made up of different elementary particles, or it could be the way that the already proven to exist elementary particles are ordered. Dark energy is the other part of the majority that covers spacetime, but it does the opposite of dark matter, as it produces anti-gravitational forces, so it repels instead of attracting. So this makes some scientists believe that this is the cause of the expansion of the universe. Therefore this would mean that there is more dark energy than dark matter to have an effect on the expansion of the universe, but if this was to change, the universe would start to shrink. This is also why we may never be able to be intergalactic, or worst-case scenario to be interstellar, because the galaxies are moving further and further away, and so are the stars, so we in the distant future may be isolated from the rest of the universe as it is so vast. So after we understand the ideas and concepts of dark energy and dark matter, now we can talk about what may happen when the universe meets its demise. In other words, what will happen when the universe loses the majority of dark energy and dark matter kicks in to pull everything together. Well, most scientists agree that there are three endings to the universe. The first ending we will talk about is the rip. So what is the rip? So because there is more dark energy than dark matter, the universe has more expansion power, so it expands, therefore gravity does not have enough muster to pull it together or even keep the universe stable. But in galaxies that is a different matter. Gravity in galaxies right now are stronger, but looking into the future, dark energy will overcome this, as well as the universe is not only expanding but it is also accelerating its expansion. Back to the matter at hand, the rip is caused by an overexpansion, and that the universe fabric can't sustain the volume of the universe, so it rips, letting the contents out, and who knows what will happen then. The second ending is the freeze. The difference of this to the first is that the fabric stays intact, and that over a very, very long period of time matter converts into radiation. The universe will slowly shut down. How will that work? The stars, nebulas and even black holes will die. Black holes evaporate in a process known as Hawking radiation. Hawking radiation will get its own video, as it is a very dense topic. After that, the only thing that remains is dilute gas and photons, but after a long time even these decay, and finally the universe is in equilibrium and everywhere is the same temperature. Therefore life is impossible, because everything has either frozen to death or heated up so much that it died. Life is impossible. And the final ending is a crunch, where the universe, as I talked about earlier in the video, loses the majority of dark energy, so it can't keep expanding, and dark matter takes over and starts to bring the universe together. Seen as you can't use stuff and still have them forever, dark energy is going to run out and gravity will dominate this. This causes the universe to shrink, and therefore a smaller universe, meaning an increasing amount of heat. Making life impossible, and for two reasons. Not enough space and not the right temperature. Thank you for watching our video. Our next video will be in about 2 months. We usually would do animations, but with your support we can make that happen more often. If you like the video, click the thumbs up button, and if you want more videos like this, subscribe to Helix Labs. We put a lot of time and effort into our research, and soon we will with the visuals too. Getting the correct facts out to you is incredibly important to us. Stay in touch with the channel.